The Union Territories of India, famous places you must visit. India is a land of diverse cultures, landscapes, and histories, and its Union Territories offer a unique blend of natural beauty, rich heritage, and vibrant local cultures. From the pristine beaches of Andaman and Nicobar Islands to the serene landscapes of Ladakh, each Union Territory has its own charm and iconic attractions. In this guide, we'll take you through some of the must-visit places across India's Union Territories, highlighting the top 3 famous spots in each region. Whether you are a nature lover, history buff, or adventure enthusiast, these destinations offer something special for every traveler. Let's dive into the best places you should explore in India's Union Territory. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital is Port Blair. Famous places in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Radhangarh Beach, Havelock Island, one of Asia's most beautiful beaches, known for its clear turquoise waters and white sandy shores. It's ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and sunset views. Cellular Jail, a historical site that played a key role during India's struggle for independence. The jail houses a museum and offers light and sound shows that narrate its painful history. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, a pristine underwater paradise offering snorkeling and diving opportunities to explore vibrant coral reefs and marine life. Chandigarh, the capital is Chandigarh. Famous places in Chandigarh. Rock Garden, a unique garden made entirely of industrial waste materials, showcasing intricate sculptures and surreal landscapes. It's one of the most creative and eccentric tourist attractions in India. Sukhna Lake, a serene man-made lake perfect for boating, walking along its promenade, and enjoying picnics. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists to relax. Rose Garden, Asia's largest rose garden, featuring over 1,600 varieties of roses along with several fountains and seasonal flowers. It's a peaceful escape for nature lovers. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Daman. Famous places in Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Jaipur Beach, Daman, a quiet, clean beach offering a peaceful atmosphere with opportunities for leisurely walks and relaxing. It's ideal for a calm retreat. Nago Beach, Diu, famous for its crescent-shaped shoreline and water sports activities, making it a popular beach destination for families and adventure enthusiasts. Vanganga Garden, Silvassa, a beautiful landscaped garden surrounded by lakes with boating facilities and lush greenery, perfect for nature walks and family outings. Delhi, National Capital Territory, New Delhi. Famous places in Delhi. Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historic fort is known for its stunning Mughal architecture and its significance in India's freedom struggle. Qutub Minar, the tallest brick minaret in the world, it stands as a symbol of India's rich architectural heritage. India Gate, a national war memorial. It's surrounded by lush lawns, making it a favorite spot for evening outings and family picnics. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, summer, Jammu, winter. Famous places in Jammu and Kashmir. Dal Lake, Srinagar, known for its shikaras, traditional wooden boats. Dal Lake is the epitome of Kashmir's beauty, offering a tranquil experience amidst the majestic mountains and houseboats. Gulmarg, famous for its snow-covered landscapes. Gulmarg is a popular ski destination in winter and a meadow of wildflowers in the summer, making it a year-round tourist attraction. Vaishno Devi Temple, Jammu, a revered Hindu pilgrimage site located in the Trikura Mountains. Pilgrims trek up to the temple dedicated to goddess Vaishno Devi, surrounded by scenic views. Ladakh, Leh. Famous places in Ladakh. Pangong Lake. Situated at a high altitude, this stunning blue lake is famous for its changing colors and the Bollywood film Three Idiots. It is a must-visit spot for nature lovers and photographers. Nubra Valley. known for its double-humped camels, monasteries, and picturesque landscapes. This remote region offers a unique experience with its dramatic contrast between desert and mountains. Khardung La Pass, one of the highest motorable passes in the world, it offers breathtaking views of the snow-capped mountains and is a popular stop for adventure enthusiasts. Lakshadweep, the capital is Kavratti. Famous places in Lakshadweep. Minicoy Island, known for its rich culture and stunning beauty, Minicoy offers pristine beaches and excellent opportunities for water sports like snorkeling and scuba diving. Kavratti Island, famous for its lagoons and coral reefs, Kavratti is a peaceful paradise, perfect for water-based activities and exploring marine life. Agatti Island, with white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters, Agatti is the ideal place for relaxing, diving, and enjoying the serene atmosphere. Puducherry, the capital is Puducherry. Famous places in Puducherry. Aurobindo Ashram, a center of spiritual learning. Aurobindo Ashram attracts people from all over the world to meditate and experience inner peace. Paradise Beach, a secluded beach with clean sands and clear waters. It's ideal for a quiet day by the sea, accessible by boat from the main city. Promenade Beach, a beautiful, long stretch of coastline perfect for evening walks, enjoying street food, and watching the sunset. It's a vibrant, laid-back place to unwind. If you enjoyed exploring these amazing destinations across India's Union territories, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who are looking for their next travel adventure. And for more travel tips, amazing destinations, and fun facts, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy exploring!